In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine. This is an exciting tool that enables creativity and innovation right at your fingertips. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open Grok AI on your web browser. You can use any modern browser for this, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Simply type the web address into the URL bar and hit enter. Once the website loads, you'll find yourself on the home page ready to start your journey. Next, we're going to look for a tab or button labeled Imagine. It's generally situated in a visible spot, either on the top menu or perhaps highlighted as a feature on the home page. Click on this Imagine tab to proceed. This section is where all the magic happens. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so once you click, you'll find yourself in a space dedicated to generating creative content. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your workflow. Grok Imagine offers different workflows tailored for various types of projects and creativity needs. Whether you're working on visuals, text, or any other medium, take a moment to explore the workflow options available. Carefully select the one that aligns with what you're intending to create. This choice helps the tool to tailor its capabilities to suit your specific creative task. With your workflow chosen, it's time to type in your prompt. Think of the prompt as a starting point for your creativity. It could be a detailed description of what you want to develop or just a few keywords. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific to ensure the results align closely with your vision. After entering your prompt, press enter or click on the button to continue. This is where Grok Imagine starts processing your input to generate an output. Now, you'll see a preview of the result based on your prompt. Take a moment to review it closely. This preview is an initial interpretation, and it might match what you envisioned right away, or you may decide to tweak your prompt and try again. Remember, part of the creative process is experimenting and refining. Once you're satisfied with what you see, the next step is downloading your output. Look for a download button, often clearly marked, and click to save your creation to your device. This makes it easy to share or further edit and enjoy the result of your creative endeavor. And there you have it, a simple guide to using Grok Imagine to unleash your creativity. With these easy steps, you can begin to explore and innovate in ways you've never experienced before. So go ahead, log in, and let your imagination run wild with Grok AI. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.